Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website at www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This week was my first week back at work, and so I've been meeting lots of new students and seeing some old familiar faces too. And usually in the first classes we have a little bit of a catch-up. So one of the things students have been asking me and asking each other is, did you go away at all over the holidays? My own personal answer has been, no, we just stayed put. It was actually really nice not travelling anywhere. If you say that you stayed put, you mean that you remained in one place. You didn't go anywhere else. You didn't move away from where you were. So maybe when you're going through an airport and you've got lots of bags and luggage and you need to get a taxi, one of you might stay put with the luggage while the other one goes off to try and get a cab. Maybe if you've got kids at home, you might just say to them, hey, listen kids, just stay put for a few minutes. I just need to pop out down the shops to get a few bits and pieces for dinner. When the full-scale invasion of Ukraine started back in 2022, lots of my Ukrainian friends were forced to flee because of the attacks from Russia. But quite a few people, particularly those with a very large stubborn streak, decided to stay put and basically decided not to move. As one of my friends in Kharkiv told me, she was worried that if they didn't stay put, they'd end up losing their houses or losing their city to the invaders. Sometimes it's also used to talk about jobs. So maybe you run into an old friend of yours who you haven't seen for ages, and last time you saw them 10 years ago, maybe they were working as a taxi driver or working as a cleaner or working as an English language teacher, and you find out, a little bit to your surprise, that they're still doing the same thing. So in this situation you might say, oh, I'm really taken aback that you've just stayed put all these years. I honestly thought that you would have moved on to a different career. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use stay put.